Imagine you could go back in time and be the first person to sell a fidget spinner right when the craze began. Imagine cornering a market and making millions in profit on a product that has nearly zero returns, is small enough for an impulse buy, and is absolutely viral. If that seems too good to be true, I'm here to tell you that it's not. We've done this a bunch of times before, predicting viral products when they had almost zero searches, and then watching them blow up. The best part is that most of these products you can access completely free. And because not many people know about this, you have the advantage. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find these products inside Exploding Topics. Imagine making $175,000 per month on a product that's had almost 3,000% growth in the past 5 years. Product one we're talking about today is Panthenol Moisturizer. So how is this one different from your garden variety moisturizer? Panthenol itself is a form of vitamin B5, an all-natural compound that your body needs. It helps you retain moisture by actually attracting water to your skin. It calms sensitive skin and also helps heal dry, flaky skin. So you've got the product, now you need the demographic you're gonna sell this product to. And I've already done that work for you. It's mainly gonna be adults between 25 to 44 who have dry or sensitive skin. So think Gen Z, think millennials who are living in big cities. That should help you target your content and your ads. You can also target anybody who's undergone procedures like peeling or microneedling. These people need a natural moisturizer to help them recover. Now, let's talk about how to advertise this one to get the max ROI. With any skincare product, your most powerful advertising tool is before and after photos. Take a look at this ad. It's an adjacent skincare product, but she puts it on one half of her face to show you the clear differences. The other thing I'd recommend is showing people scientifically how the product actually works. Let's look at an ad by one of the most dominant brands in the K-beauty space, which is Medicube. They've got these basic animations showing how Panthenol Moisturizer actually works under the surface to reverse aging. Anytime you can pull back the cover and show people what's actually happening to their skin with the product, you've got a winning ad. And the reason is because we've got this macro trend right now where science matters. People want to know that this is actually going to make a difference for their skin and that they can see that difference visually. So if you're gonna sell any skincare or beauty products, definitely check this one out. And if you want any other trending skincare products, just comment skincare in the comments below and I'll drop you one completely free. Have you seen this video? This is Ashton Hall, and while he fakes a lot of stuff for views and clicks, he's a great example of how one person can rocket the popularity of an entire product. He started to go viral with these running videos and these videos of his morning routine in early March of 2025. And look at how this product spiked immediately after he went viral. That's what makes the weighted vest such a great opportunity for you. Now, the weighted vest is pretty self-explanatory. It adds extra weight to the body during exercise, thereby increasing the workout intensity, building cardiovascular strength, and improving your overall fitness. The vests are completely adjustable, so you can change exactly how much weight you want to add to your workout. So you've got the product, now let's talk about who you're going to sell it to. And this is going to directly affect what you put on your landing page and your ad copy, all of your marketing. Age-wise, 60% of gym users in the US fall in the range of 18 to 44. Within that age range, make sure to look for athletic niches where people need to really move quickly. Things like tennis, gymnastics, football, there's really no limit. That said, I would start targeting one niche at a time. Many products can be used by a variety of niches to get all sorts of benefits, and that's difficult to do if you have a small ad budget. So I recommend finding a strong and motivated niche, and then really putting all of your budget into ads that target that niche specifically. Speaking of ads, let's talk about what you need to put in your ads to get this one really selling. I analyzed all the ads that I could find on Facebook and Instagram for the weighted vest, and these are the most common messages that I found. You should talk about how somebody can burn more calories while wearing this vest, about building full body strength, about improving posture, improving overall bone health, and how you can use this vest in everyday simple activities to increase your overall fitness. And now you're ready to tap into a $400,000 per month goldmine. This next product can make you over 70 grand per month, has 2,400% search growth in the last 2 years alone, and I really need you to know that I'm genuinely not trolling you. It's the solar fan hat. These hats integrate small solar-powered fans to keep your face and your neck cool. It gives you this nice, constant breeze, which is really helpful in that direct summer sun. Now, from what I can tell, it's trending because we're seeing record high summer temperatures and people are starting to think outside the box. As for your demographics and where to put your ad budget, I would say target the hotter states first, places like Texas, Arizona, Florida, especially somebody who works a lot outside or spends a lot of time outdoors. Anybody who loves gardening is also going to be a great niche for this product. So you've got the product, you know your general demographic, now let's talk about exactly what to put in your ads to get a solid ROI. Now I've watched and studied a lot of these ads, so here's what I've noticed actually works. Don't fool yourself, it is a dorky hat by nature, so lean into that. Winning ads are calling it quirky yet practical. Most of the ad videos are people explaining the product as they're wearing it to show how much it helps. So show your customer using it in different situations, like working outside or grilling. So if your summer sales are slow, sell this one 100%. Now that's all for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe because we've got a lot more content coming your way. And if you'd like some more niche products right now, drop any niche in the comments below and I'll give you a trending product totally free. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.